everybody, my name's Laura and I do these little mini workshops each day to help people across the world with procrastination and with creativity. Today is number 99 and on Monday will be day 100. It's been a lovely couple of days here. Yesterday we reflected on the idea of change, and yesterday was a very rainy, very dreich day, which is a lot of dreich is a brilliant Scottish word to describe quite a grey, foggy day with a lot of mist and drizzle in the air. Whereas today we have blue skies, we have sunshine forecast, shorts are on, and the paddling pool has been broken out and will be getting filled just shortly. So it's amazing how much things can change just within the space of 24 hours. Also in Scotland things are still easing up a little bit around about lockdown. We're being pretty cautious, but it does definitely feel like things are hopefully heading in the right direction. But my thoughts still go out to areas of the world and individual people who are still struggling with COVID as well. So, but even with that, it does feel like there's hope, and it feels like there's light at the end of that tunnel. So that's what I would like to reflect a little bit on today. And on a more light-hearted note, I got my hair cut yesterday, which feels ridiculous. You get excited about it, but it's just nice to have, not look like Dudley Moore anymore. So so that's been going on. I've also been having a look over reviews that have gone back years to when I first started the Figment workshops, and it's been lovely to read such enthusiasm from people, and I'm reflecting now back on the reviews that I had particularly at the beginning of lockdown 4 or 5 months ago now, back on day 1 through to day 10 in particular. So yeah, it's lovely to think back on these things. Thank you so much again for being a part of this experience where I've been sharing these each morning with you all, and it's been lovely to know that they've made an impact. So that's helped me keep going as well. So much appreciated. So, day 99 then. Your prompt for today is blue sky, and I don't have my phone here, but I will time it on my watch. No, my watch has run out of battery as well. Brilliant. I will time it on the computer, and I'll keep an eye on the time on the recording. Okay. So 99, blue skies. Remember, the key is to keep it going, keep it flowing, write and write and write, don't stop, don't worry about editing or crossing out, just keep going. You can always edit at a future time. Okay, so your 6 minutes on blue skies begins now. Okay folks, that is pretty much about the end of your 6 minutes. My apologies there for the interruption from the cats, who are obviously not enjoying my good mood this morning. They're squabbling. That took me to some lovely places, and I will probably go back and have another look at that writing prompt, which is always a good idea if it's an idea that you've really enjoyed exploring, or you feel there's something more to it. And I'm going to paraphrase a poet friend of mine here in Stirling, who said, I'm going to very poorly paraphrase her, who said, sometimes you just need to stare at a blue sky for a while and wait for a poem to arrive. And that's a lovely thought. I am going to go out and practice that a little bit with Riley this morning. So have a lovely day everybody. I'm wishing you all safe and well. Hope you keep yourself safe and well, and happy writing. I look forward to seeing you on Monday for day 100, when we'll be doing our last writing prompt in this series, certainly. But I've loved it so much, I probably will do another series of writing prompts, a little, challenge for 10 days or 21 days or 30 days or something like that at some point, because a few of you have gotten in touch to say that you've really enjoyed this, so thank you again. So all the best guys, take care and happy writing.